Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Proton Pass, one of the most secure and privacy focused password managers out there. Let's take a quick tour of the app and go over what each button does. So first of all, you will have to install this app from your App Store or Play Store, whatever device you are using. So after installing it, you will have to sign up or sign in if you are using in second time. So once you open this app, you can see this interface. Here you can see lots of options. So let me explain one by one. Alright, here you can see the main vault screen. Right now it is empty because we have not added anything yet. But Proton Pass makes it super easy to get started. You'll notice this green banner at the top. It says goodbye spam and scans. This is talking about Proton email alias feature, which lets you hide your real email when signing up for websites. We'll get to that in a second. Now let's go through each option one by one. First, you have got create a login. This is where you store your website usernames and passwords. Whenever you log into a new site, ProtonPass can save those details for you. The next time it autofills them. Super easy, super secure. Next, we have create a hide my email alias. This is one of the coolest features. Instead of giving websites your real email, Proton lets you create a fake one, an alias that forwards to your inbox. This way your real identity stays protected and you can delete that alias anytime if it starts getting spam. Then we have got to create a note. Here you can say important stuff like recovery codes, Wi-Fi passwords or personal notes. Everything is encrypted and only you can see it. After that, you will see create a card. This is where you can store your credit or debit card details. So when you are shopping online, you don't have to type in everything. Proton can autofill it for your security. Then there is a create an identity. This is great for autofill. You can say your name, phone number, address, all that kind of information and use it while filling out forms or signing up for new accounts. And finally, there is create a custom item. This is for anything else you want to store. Maybe your password number, your driver's license, or something personal. You can create your own fields and store it safely. Now, if you look at the top, there is search bar. Handy when you have a lot of items here. You just type in what you are looking for and it will show up instantly. At the bottom, you have got your navigation bar. The first icon is your list of saved items. The plus icon is to add something new. The shield icon brings you back to your vault. The profile icon is for your account setting, where you can manage your settings like passwords and other things as you can see here. So yeah, that's Proton Pass is a nutshell. It's clean, easy to use, and backed by Proton strong privacy and encryption. If you are someone who wants to take control of their online security without making life complicated, Proton Pass is definitely worth trying. Hope this helped you. If it did, drop a like and let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next.